The U.S. and Germany are unloading Bitcoin, and even long-term holders are selling. These stories and more on this week's Bitcoin News Update. Hi, I'm Nate Martin with this week's Bitcoin News Update. The German government is ramping up its Bitcoin liquidation from a movie piracy site, adding to recent market anxiety. On Tuesday, they transferred 900 Bitcoins worth over $54 million over 3 transactions. 200 Bitcoin to Coinbase, 200 to Kraken, and the rest to an anonymous wallet. German authorities have moved significant amounts of Bitcoin, including last week's $195 million transfer to major exchanges. Even after these sales, Germany still holds 46,359 BTC, valued at over $2 billion. As one of the top Bitcoin holders globally, Germany's actions add to market volatility. Bitcoin's price dropped to $58,500 before recovering to $61,300, but according to experts, the price movement was driven by fear and sentiment and not by large-scale sales. On Wednesday, the U.S. government transferred 3,940 Bitcoins worth $243 million to an exchange address linked to Coinbase. Arkham Intelligence disclosed that these funds were seized from narcotics dealer Banmeet Singh, following his conviction in January for drug trafficking on Silk Road, Alpha Bay, and Hansa. Singh pled guilty to charges including conspiracy to distribute controlled substances and money laundering. Even after the transfer, the U.S. government still holds 213,546 BTC, valued at over $13 billion. Despite dipping below $60,000 on June 23rd, Bitcoin has closed above that level for 118 days in 2024. In its June 27th commentary, QCP Capital highlighted German government Bitcoin transfers slowing down, hinting at the end of their sell-off activities. This reduction in supply pressure is crucial for Bitcoin to maintain its price above $60,000. Additionally, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw net inflows of $52.4 million over the 2 days heading into the weekend, indicating renewed investor confidence. QCP suggests these developments create a favorable environment for increased Bitcoin holdings and further market consolidation. According to CryptoQuant, Bitcoin long-term holders have been selling off recently, leading to a decline in their supply. Long-term holders who keep their BTC for over 155 days typically resist selling, which makes this trend notable. Despite a generally bearish market, these holders have been offloading their assets since the approval of spot ETFs in the U.S. in January. The recent continued decline, even though the spot ETF launch was over 155 days ago, suggests market-wide pessimism. But it might not indicate long-term trouble, as the sell-off does mirror patterns from previous bull runs. Heading into the weekend, Bitcoin was trading at around $60,700, down over 5% on the week. Anthony Pompliano offered a brighter perspective this week on CNBC, saying, quote, Bitcoin is up 40% year-to-date and is up 100% in the last year. So in terms of volatility, this is pretty expected. He noted that after a strong rally, profit-taking is normal, with traders engaging in basis trading, which involves going long on spot and short on futures, which dampens price movements. Seasonal trends also play a role, with historically quieter second and third quarters. Pompliano went on to say that AI will be a driving force behind broader Bitcoin adoption, suggesting a synergistic effect, saying, quote, AI is going to create enormous amounts of wealth, and Bitcoin is going to protect that wealth. That's it for this week's Bitcoin News Update. If you'd like to support what we do here at the Bitcoin Effect, maybe you'd like to buy me a coffee. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description to help support the channel. You can also leave me a tip in Satoshis on the Lightning Network at strike.me/NateMartin. And to help us reach more people here on YouTube, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll know as soon as we post a new video. See you next week.